I'd like to introduce you to founder and managing partner. Thought it'd be useful to have Alex join us on the call before, given he's done many CFO searches in the past, so plenty of experience to help aid you moving forwards.
Is that what you would say?
I think that's something along that lines that you used last time.
Because my only worry with that is it's making you about that big.
Yeah.
It's like, here's this guy, he knows what he's doing, you're in great hands. I'm just an introducer.
Yeah, that's a good
So
point.
it's more like between the two of us, talent pool's bigger, we've worked more jobs as the two of us, and hey, as a good old saying goes, two heads are better than one.